Oh, is it? Oh, it's supposed to be like this. Oh my god. Goombada, 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 goombada. What's up, guys? This is me, Shanti, and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, The Levi. Today's video, as you can tell, this is going to be a Padmavati inspired makeup look, and this was a highly requested video from a long time viewer of mine. Her name is Swayam Siddha. Swayam Siddha, I really hope that you will like this makeup tutorial, and I had a hard time finding this piece of jewelry, and that was one of the reasons why I took this long to recreate this look. There were not a lot of information as to how much eye makeup she was wearing. She had a very flawless, natural looking base, and there were not a lot of highlight shown in the movie. At least that's what I have collected so far from doing all of the research by looking at the pictures and all of that. The nose ring will not stop slipping. Oh my god, this is so uncomfortable. If you're watching me and this video for the first time, then thank you for taking time out of your day to watch and click on this video. May I suggest that you watch till the very end of this video, and if you like what you see, then please do consider subscribing. All that will be needed for you is to click on the subscribe button right underneath this video, and there will be a bell icon next to it. Make sure to click on it just so that you will be notified and updated whenever new video uploads goes up on my channel. If you'd like to know how to create this Padmavati inspired makeup tutorial, all you have to do is just keep on watching. Alright, so now let's get on with some priming action, shall we? So we're going to be priming our face just before we apply our foundation. As for foundation, I'm still sticking with my Fenty Beauty foundation. I like how natural the foundation finish is, just like how Deepika's skin looked fresh and flawless in the movie. Once the foundation has been buffed in completely, I'm going to be moving in with a peach corrector to hide a little bit of my hyperpigmentation, just like the areas under my eyes and around my nose and lips, before I top it up with the Kat Von D's Lock It Concealer, just to have a little bit more even toned canvas. For this makeup look, we are going to be skipping out on highlighter completely because the pictures that I've gathered from the internet and the movie itself, Deepika did not look like she had any form of highlighter beaming off her face, so we're just going to be skipping it. Instead, I'm going to be going in with a lighter shade of concealer like this one from Maybelline, and I just want to add a little bit of light so that we can actually omit the highlighter altogether. To set the face base in place, I'm going to be setting it with a little bit of powder all over the face, and just to mattify all over the areas where I tend to get a little shiny. As we all know, Deepika has really strong looking features, like her jawbones and her cheekbones are like really popping to get a similar chisel tone look like hers. I'm just going over the areas, perimeters of my face and setting it down with a Bahama Mama bronzer powder just to get a little chisel. Then moving on, we're going to be doing the fun part, which is over here, just filling in the eyebrows and doing the whole unibrow thingy. Then we're going to be moving on to blush. Again, in the movie and in the pictures gathered, there were not a lot of apparent show of colors on her face, so I'm going to be going in with a very neutral looking blush. And quickly moving on to the eyes, I'm just going to be priming with the matte paint pot in ochre, and then I'm going in with the same bronzer onto my overall eyelid area, avoiding all the way up to the brow bone, and quickly moving on to a brown coal cudgel, and I'm just being very smudgy with it. As you can see, once I've done it with the Bahama Mama bronzer, and then I go ahead and take a deeper darker brown shade and go over the areas. And then we're just moving on quickly through the lipstick, and again she didn't look like she had any lipstick at all. She had a very browny mauvey looking lip color, so I mixed in a few shades, 2 lip pencils to be exact, and blended the look. And this is the completed look, you guys. I really hope you enjoy watching this makeup tutorial. That's it for today's makeup tutorial, guys. If you really like watching this Padmavati inspired makeup tutorial, then don't forget to share this video with your family and friends via Facebook and WhatsApp. And if you're not subscribed already, please do so. It is completely free of charge. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it just so that you will be notified whenever new content goes up on my channel.